this video, this section, we're going to talk about the F chord and the G chord. And we'll start off by, if you remember in the last video I told you about the E major, and you see that that E major form in the open position like this. Well, if you think about it like this, all you're doing is you're sliding this down one fret to get to the F, and you have to bar down that first fret, which can be pretty challenging in the beginning if you're a beginner. It took me a long time to get the F chord down because it's so hard to match the strings down on the first fret like that. But the F chord is, you take that E and you bring it down and you bar your first fret, and it's right. And you do the same thing if you want to play F minor. F minor, you just pick up your middle finger like that. Want to play the F7? You put your middle finger back down and you pick up your pinky, and that's F7. Hi, now I'm going to talk about the G chord. The G chord starts off on the third, the middle finger on the third fret of the top string of your E string. Then the second finger, your first finger on the second fret of the A string. And then you've got your third finger on the third fret of the E string. And this is the normal major G chord that most people use in country and rock and whatever. And here's that sounds. Alright, in rock we play it a little different. We play it with our ring finger on the B string and our E finger, our pinky on the E string, and it sounds like this. You probably recognize a few songs when you hear that chord. A good exercise, switching from C add 9 to G. G major and C add 9, all you do is you take your middle finger and your first finger and you move it down a second to the second string, and the A string and the D string, and you play the same thing. That's G and C add 9. So then, if you want to do the G minor, the best thing to do is go down and do your bar chord and do G minor this way. If you want to do your seventh, you can either do the seventh bar chord like that, or in country and bluegrass and stuff like that, they like to use that open chord, which it looks like a C, except you bring your ring finger and your middle finger out to the two top strings, bottom strings, whatever you want to call it, and then you bring that first finger out to the E string and play it. It'll be your ring finger on the third fret of the E string. It'll be your middle finger on the second fret on the A string, and your first finger is up here on the first fret of the E string. And there you have it. That's all of the major, minor, and 7 chords that you would be using, in the basics areas of learning rock licks. So, see you in the next video.